So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
We got Badaboom's own brown paper, battle on Mulberry Street. Warning, watch out, it shoots flaming balls. Top's cut off. Here's a look at the tubes. 1.5 tubes going on. Let's check out their performance. There you go, 10 to 16 shot. Strobe neon colors. Silver, lemon, peach, green, purple, orange, gold, sea blue. Finale 4 of Cracking Willow. There's a set of 4 of these. There's a made one. But this is what we're looking at. Battle of Mulberry Street. I was thrilled with canister shots.